Hey everyone, Matt here with Social Vantage. We're going to do a quick video today showing you how to find the post ID for the specific post that you're looking for. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook page and make sure you're managing the page. Go down to the desired post. In this case, I'm going to go down to a recent Social Vantage post. You're going to find the date and time at the top of the post when you're logged in. Click the date and time, and at the top here in the address bar, you're going to see the actual post ID right in the address bar right there. Alright, so that's going to conclude this video. That's how you find the post ID for a specific post, and we'll see you next time.